In problem number 4, I notice that this is a division problem. So the first thing I do is I multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to start by keeping the a plus 1 over a squared plus 6a plus 8. But this division will become a multiplication problem. And I'm multiplying by the reciprocal. So I'm going to have my a squared plus 6a plus 8 in the numerator. And I will have the 3a in the denominator. Now I could factor these, but I'm noticing that this trinomial is identical to this trinomial. So since I have the same thing in the numerator and the denominator, the same factor, I can cancel them out. Alright, this is connected by multiplication. In fact, now that it's a multiplication problem, I can treat it like it's one big fraction. Alright, just put parentheses around everything in the numerator and denominator. So this trinomial and this trinomial will just cancel each other out. That is going to leave me with a plus 1 over 3a. So that's going to be the simplified version. Now, looking back, I am going to need to factor this to figure out what all my restrictions are. So imagine that I factored this. So a squared would be a times a. 8 would be 2 times 4. Inner, that's 2a. Outer, that's 4a. I'm trying to get a middle of 6, so I need them both to be positive. So that would be like this. Now, the reason why I had to do that is because here I have a plus 2 and a plus 4 in the denominator. Neither one of these can equal 0. So in other words, a plus 2 can't equal 0, and a plus 4 cannot equal 0. I'm looking for my restrictions. So this tells me that a cannot equal negative 2, and this tells me that a cannot equal negative 4. Okay, also this 3a, that's also in the denominator. 3a cannot equal 0 either. Dividing by 3 on both sides, that tells me that a cannot equal 0. Alright, because if I divide by 3, cancel these out, 0 divided by 3 is 0. So these are my 3 restrictions. Very important.